What is the opposite of weak? Option is A. Month. B. Happy. C. Sad. D. Strong. Answer is option D. Strong.
Which of the following is bodybuilding food? Option is A. Carbohydrates. B. Proteins. C. Vitamins. D. None of these. Answer is option B. Proteins.
Which kind of water we shouldn't drink? Option is A. Dirty. B. Clean. C. Polluted. D. Dirty and polluted. Answer is option D. Dirty and polluted.
Legs have feet and arms have blank. Option is A. Ankles. B. Pelvis. C. Hands. D. Skull. Answer is option C. Hands.
Who keeps our classrooms and school campus clean? Option is A. Gatekeeper. B. Sweeper. C. Gardener. D. None of these. Answer is option B. Sweeper. Did you know zebra is shorter than giraffe?
Which of the following is not present in the air? Option is A. Germs. B. Smoke. C. Dust. D. Ice. Answer is option D. Ice.
Identify the omnivore. Option is A. Tiger. B. Cow. C. Bear. D. Lion. Answer is option C. Bear.
All human beings need. Option is A. Food. B. Clothes. C. Shelter. D. All of these. Answer is option D. All of these.
When the environment gets dirty, what is it called? Option is A. Surrounding. B. Planet. C. Clean. D. Pollution. Answer is option D. Pollution.
We spend most of our time blank. Option is A. Gardens. B. Roads. C. Homes. D. None. Answer is option C. Homes.
Which mineral is used in electric bulbs? Option is A. Gypsum. B. Calcium. C. Tungsten. D. Graphite. Answer is option C. Tungsten.
This is a yellow fruit. Monkeys love to eat them. Which fruit is this? Option is A. Pineapple. B. Apple. C. Orange. D. Banana. Answer is option D. Banana. Which animal is coming?
Monkey.
No, it's a gorilla. Did you know? Gorilla is social animal and lives in groups called as troops.
Which of the following is a transportation service? Option is A. Land. B. Air. C. Water. D. All of these. Sorry, we don't know the answer. If you know the answer, then like the video.
We must keep our nails blank. Option is A. Clean. B. Dirty. C. Long. D. All of these. Answer is option A, clean.
In hospital, the person see us and give the medicine is known as whom? Option is A. Doctor, B. Teacher, C. Policeman, D. None. Answer is option A. Doctor.